Previously, I shared how to make sardine rolls. Today, we are making butter rolls, one of the easiest recipe to try at home. Hello, creative bangers. Let's clock it together. All right. In a smaller bowl, I'm moving with 1 egg, butterscotch flavor, white vinegar and water. Now you can use any flavor of your choice. The vinegar is going to act as a preservative because we are not going to be eating everything at once. I will be storing this for my kids. You'll be consuming this within a day, 2 or 3. No need to add the vinegar. All right. Okay, once that is done, mix to combine very well. Set it aside. In another bowl, sifting your flour, moving with sugar, powdered milk, baking powder and salt. Now for commercial purposes, we'll advise you don't add egg, okay, because not everyone eats egg. Then replace milk powder with milk flavor, okay, or use any flavor of your choice. Mix to combine very well, moving with butter or margarine. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, you should have a texture just like what you are looking at. Moldable, also crispy in texture. All right, now I'm moving with the wet ingredients. Gently mix till everything comes together. Please don't be too rough on the dough. You should have a crust dough at the end of the mixing. Okay, this should have a similar texture with that of meat pie or chin chin dough. Cover and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila, time to take it to another level. Okay, now I'm going to transfer to the work surface, divide into 2 equal parts. You can roll everything at once depending on the size that you are going for. Okay, now I dust the work surface with some flour. Place one of the dough, arrange in a way that it will be easier for me to roll. Moving with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Shout out to you, Esther, watching from Port Harcourt. AC from Cameroon. Danguda Ahmed from Kano State, Nigeria. Aziza, watching from South Africa. And Bumi, all the way from Canada. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, after rolling into a flat dough, moving with butter or margarine, depending on the one that you are using. We are making butter rolls, remember that, okay? So butter should be involved. After rolling, I'm going to shape the 4 corners of the dough just to get a perfect shape. This is important, okay? Once that is done, at this point, go ahead and cut in your preferred sizes. This is the size that I'm going for, about 1 inch gap for each, all right? Once you are done cutting, go ahead and roll, or should I say fold, whichever. Roll or fold as demonstrated on the video till you get to the end. Okay, once that is done, I am going to give it a quick massage just like so in order to reshape it. Okay, now go ahead and arrange in a baking pan as demonstrated. Once that is done, it is time to go and bake. They are ready. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes and there you have it. We just delivered again without being pregnant. Look at that. They turn out so well. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia. It tasted so good and my kids were in love with it. Will you be trying this? Let me know at the comment section. At this point, you can go ahead and package in any way that you prefer. Remember, I told you earlier that I'll be storing this for my kids. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.